Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2011 ECE paper and the topic we are discussing is digital circuits. The output of a three-stage Johnson counter, it is also called as twisted ring counter, is fed to a digital to analog converter as shown. Assume all states of the counter to be unset initially. The waveform which represents the D2A converter output V0 is, if the outputs of Johnson counter initially is 0 0 0, what will be the output waveform? Okay, here you can think that one input of D2A, input of D2A converter is nothing but output of Johnson counter, output of Johnson counter. So output of Johnson counter is given as input for the DAC. That implies nothing but D2 is Q2, D1 is Q1 and D0 is Q0. So first of all we must know what is the operation of Johnson counter. Johnson counter is going to be a shift register that will be consisting of internally three stage Johnson counter is nothing but it will be consisting of three flip flops internally, and three are going to be of D type flip flops, three are going to be of D type flip flops, and assume that one this is ABC flip flop, so it can be QA, QB and it is QC, and this will be QC bar. The output of last flip flop is going to be connected as input for the first flip flop. This is DA and it is DB DC. So the output of first flip flop is the input for the second flip flop, in output of second flip flop input for the third flip flop, output of third flip flop is going to be, that is complemented output of third flip flop is connected as input for the first flip flop. So that you can write it as DA is equal to QC bar and DB is equal to QA and DC is equal to QB. These are the equations for the three-stage Johnson ring counter, Johnson counter or twisted ring counter. Okay, so by that time, if it is going to be the situation, if you know the present state, what can be the next state of this Johnson ring counter? So this is QA, QB, QC. So initially all are at the reset condition, and next state is nothing but next state is QC bar will be treated as DA will be QC bar, QC present value is 0, so that this will be QA plus QB plus QC plus, you can think in this way, so that it will become 100, and now 100 is the present state. By that time this will become 110 according to the equations. 110 is nothing but it will become 111, 111, that will make 011, because QC is 1, so that QC bar will become 0, that will be loaded into QA. So again this will be 011 is going to be the present state, that makes 001, and 001 is going to be present state, that makes 000 as going to be the next state. So these are the states present in Johnson counter, that is 0. Okay, if you are going with decimal equivalent, the states are going to be, Johnson counter states are going to be 0. Okay, I'll go with a different color. So Johnson state counters are nothing but the equivalent value is 0 and it is 4, this is 6 and it is 7, and this will be 3 and it is 1. So the Johnson counter will be going through the states, what are that one? 0, 4, 6, 7, 3, 1 and again coming back to 0. So this is going to be the output of Johnson counter, and whenever you are going with D2A converter, at that time analog output is going to be directly proportional to the value presented digital input, so that the maximum value 7 you are giving is nothing but output reaches a maximum value, and correspondingly the values presented the input side, the output will reduce as well as increase. So first value output is 0 and it will go to 0. Next it has to go to the 4 units. So assume that one. Okay, D2A converter is dealing with units, and this is what A bit. Okay, so this is 0 and it is first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth, 5, 6 7, last one. So that first it is going with 0 and later it is 4, next it is going for the 6 and next 7, this is 6 and it is 7, and next again it is going back to 3, next 1 0, again it is going to the 0 to 4, again it is going back to 6 7 3 1 0. So this is what the output sequence it is following. Okay, so the waveform which resembles at V0 is nothing but answer is A. Answer A is nothing but right answer for this question. Thank you.